How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Nike Air Max 90G. G for golf. And we'll look on the side of the box right here. These ones are a size 9 and they're in the white, dark gray Copa color, which is like bluish. So let's go ahead and open them and have a look. So first we do have obviously our Nike golf pamphlet. We'll put that aside and we'll take the packaging out and grab the shoe itself, and we'll have a first look here. We'll actually might as well take that one out, and we'll take this one out right here. We'll put the box aside for a sec, and let's have a look at the shoes itself. So they are in white laces right here, the white front right here. The Copa, I guess, would be considered this color right here. I'm not really sure. It's like kind of like a grayish color. We have like a darker gray check, and then we have like the light blue sided on right here. It's almost like a tealish color right there, which is really, really nice. The air pocket, of course, being the Air Max 90, says Nike Air on the back of it right there. We'll put that shoe right there so you can see as well. Nike Air Max on the side of it as well. On the front, there's your front angle. And a lot of people always want to know what's on the bottom. So there we go. There we have it. These are soft spike shoes. So these are meant for summertime. Definitely not meant for winter or very wet conditions, just because they're not like super grippy or spiky right here. They're just like the nice soft spikes. They're actually really nice to wear around even for just regular everyday wear. And being their golf shoes, they do have like more waterproofing on them than the standard Air Max 90s. But I really like this colorway. I think it looks really good. These particular ones are not my size. I'm more of a size 10.5 or so. So these ones are going to be going. I do have the exact pair though in a 10.5, and I really like them. Very nice shoes, very comfortable shoes, the Air Max 90s. I'm getting really into the Air Max 90 shoes. I think that they're fantastic looking, such a classic look, and there's so many different cool colorways that you can get for them. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Nike Air Max 90 golf variations.